Action?
Yep.
Okay. This business owner's workshop is for everyone. Now, some of you may be thinking, what are you talking about? I don't own a full-time business. I have a day job, or I'm single, or I'm married, and there's nothing like that going on in our lives. Think again. 1 in 3 Americans now have a side hustle. You may even have a rental property. Those two facts make you a business owner. I love this workshop because it can affect so many Americans, so many middle-income Americans that are trying to make ends meet, make a little more wealth for a future retirement, get more tax write-offs. All of that plays into owning a small business. The Business Owner's Workshop is for this side hustle person, this investor in a little small rental property. That's the beauty of this workshop. Well, the fall is approaching us again, and this will be the 12th year I've done the Business Owner's Workshop. And I had someone the other day call me and say, you know what, you need to charge more. You know, this is incredible information, and you've got a reputation now where you could charge more. And I said, no, that's not the point. I want this workshop to be affordable for the average small business owner, someone with a side hustle, with a little rental property, because those are small businesses. And when I can make it affordable, I really feel like I'm impacting people that don't have access to a tax lawyer or an accountant that can, I frankly speak English, where people actually get a little excited and understand it. And it's not to speak ill of so many smarter CPAs than me, but I have an ability to make it a little more enjoyable. The topic doesn't have to be bitter. It can be sweet. And so I would encourage you to think about attending the Business Owners Workshop just to, again, save more in taxes, build a little more wealth, and have some fun doing it. Dude, that was a sweet run right there. That was sweet. Okay.